In 2026, AI isn't just about creativity. It's making everyday work faster, smarter, and easier. Firstly, Jasper AI. It helps you write blogs, ads, and social posts in seconds. Just give it a topic, and Jasper creates polished content ready to publish. Secondly, Otter.ai. It automatically transcribes meetings, highlights key points, and even generates summaries. Perfect for students and professionals who want to save time. Third, there's Tome AI. It builds presentations instantly. Type your idea, and Tome designs slides with text, visuals, and layouts. No manual formatting needed. Concluding. So whether you're writing, meeting, or presenting, AI tools in 2026 are your productivity partners. Subscribe now for more AI tools reshaping everyday life.